Recently, I came across a comment saying people, especially on the West Coast, predominantly, are now exchanging Instagram profiles professionally instead of business cards. And the reason is simple. An IG page actually says way more about you and who you are than a business card or a phone number ever would. And I was a little shocked because I haven't personally had that experience where somebody comes to me and goes, okay, cool. What's your IG handle so I could reach out to you and we could schedule a meeting? In fact, most of the local businesses that we work with weren't even on Instagram until we created their pages for them. So I said, you know what? Let me look into this. This is kind of new. And lo and behold, I fact this exact conversation on Reddit. You can see it says, what's up with the people using Instagram as business cards? Am I just getting old? Conversation goes, me, that sounds good. Do you have a business card? Them, no, but can you check us on Instagram? What's your handle? Me, I don't have an Instagram. Now, as a business or a brand, you have to ask, is that the response I want to give today when somebody asks me for my Instagram handle at a networking event? To schedule up a follow-up meeting? Do you really want your answer to be, we don't have Instagram? And at first it seems funny, but it actually makes sense. People want to see you. They want to see your work, your vibe, your credibility, how you move, not just the name on the card. And in digging deeper, here's what's surprising. Meta knows about this. That's literally why they created Instagram profile cards, which is basically a digital business card built right into your IG. Because for a lot of people, apparently, Instagram is already their business card. So if you haven't set up a clean, professional Instagram profile that represents your brand, or you're not using it intentionally, just know this is where people are getting their first impression of you now. Whether you like it or not, your Instagram is becoming your digital handshake.